Hello and welcome to Dazzle Rebel Rides, and look at the glorious weather. It's a damn sight better than it was last week, isn't it, folks? Now this Two-Wheel Tuesday, I'm having another inductee to the Indian Motorcycle Nation. Now this guy is my confectionery, is that the right word? Confectionery or butchery counterpart, butchery counterpart. See, because I am Dazzle Rebel, and this guy is called Meatball Rebel. Now his videos are quirky, they're based around an Indian Scout and other motorcycles that he rides, and they're very street, I suppose that's the way of saying it. It's quite urban, it's very sort of choppy, very quick transitions and little bits and bobs floating around. You know what, I'm just going to roll the VT and you can see for yourself. This is Meatball Rebel.
Uh-oh. Oh, that one hurt. Yeah, that didn't tickle. But I'm okay. I don't need kids. And you can split lanes pretty well with it, which some people can't do in different parts of the country and some other countries. And you get right through the traffic. See, and they get out of your way also. That was a good one.
And that was Meatball Rebel. Go check him out, folks. He's a growing channel, he's fairly new, but you know, more subscribers the better. He rides an Indian Scout, he's got some pretty quirky videos out there, and he's certainly fun to watch, so go and do that and let him know who sent you. Me, Dazzle Rebel. And if you have a vlog that is in some way related to Indian motorcycles and you want to do a 60-second channel trailer and be featured and inducted into the Indian Motorcycle Nation, let me know in the comments. I'll go and check it all out, and we'll get talking, and you could feature on a video like this in the near future. Now it's been another one of those years, folks, where I've not really done half or even a quarter of what I wanted to do. I wanted to do a lot more bike reviews and gear reviews and things like that by now, but I have got some coming. I've got a couple of gear reviews that will be on their way shortly. I've got something in the pipeline going forward as well, which I'm not really going to talk about just yet. I do want to be doing some touring videos, but it's just a case of getting out and doing some touring. I'm finding it very, very difficult trying to squeeze everything into my life at the minute. But I'll tell you what I will say is, if you fancy, if you're localish to me and you fancy meeting up, having a chat, having a ride out on some bikes, and let me know, hit me up in the comments. I fancy doing something, I fancy doing some meetups and things like that, but more on that on another video, I think. In the meantime, let's play out with some music. Remember, if you like to ride, be sure to subscribe. I'll see you next week, folks. Bye.